West Coast states of America have unique climates. So plants from those areas generally, when brought to Oklahoma, don't fare so well. But here in our Arboretum, we have an example of a plant from California and Oregon that is doing quite well. This is the California Incense Cedar, and it's been growing here for close to 30 years. And you can see it's about 35 feet tall, and it has a really nice Christmas tree-like shape. Now, out in California and Oregon, where they are native, the plants or these trees can get to be 125 to 150 feet tall, and they maintain a very narrow canopy size, so they maintain that nice shape. But here in Oklahoma, the plants are doing quite well. Now, if you look up here at the branches, you can see some of the male pollen cones. We were bumping into these a little bit earlier, and the pollen was flying everywhere. It also has female cones, but those are generally up higher on the tree, and they're about 1 to 2 inches long, little brown cones. The foliage of the California Incense Cedar looks like a stack of V's on top of each other, letter V, or maybe you might think they look like little folding fans folded up and stacked on top of each other. That sort of separates it from the eastern red cedars and the arborvitaes and things like that. And one thing that's unique about the California Incense Cedar is that you can take some of the foliage and crush it up a little bit, and it has the smell of some sort of cologne or something like that. It smells really good. Well, the California Incense Cedar is not a true cedar, but it is the source of the wood that we get a lot of our cedar chests. And another good use of the wood of this tree is that it's one of the top woods used in making pencils. Well, the California Incense Cedar does okay here. It's drought tolerant once it's established. Seems to be handling this poor soil out here quite well. It's a tree that's not readily available in the nurseries or garden centers in the local area. So if you wanted to find the California Incense Cedar, you would have to go to a specialty nursery or catalog, or look for it online. So the California Incense Cedar, an evergreen conifer from the West Coast, doing well here in Oklahoma.